Hi everyone, welcome to Nano ELearn and back to Python tutorial video series. In today's video, I'll talk about how to use for else in Python programming. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. For complete information on for else statement in Python programming, along with the practical demo, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. For else in Python programming. For else in Python programming. In most programming languages like C, Java and C++, the else statement usage has been restricted with the if conditional statements. But the Python allows us to use the else condition with the for loops. In a for loop, the else keyword specifies a block of code that is to be executed when the loop is ended. The else block just after the for loop is executed only when the loop is not terminated by a break statement. That is, the else block just after the for loop is executed when the for loop is not ended by a break statement. If the for loop is ended by a break statement, the else block after the for loop will not get executed. Let us try to understand the syntax for else in Python programming. Syntax of for else will start with for x in sequence followed by loop body. Then it starts with else block followed by a set of statements. Here x is the iteration variable that takes the value of the item inside the sequence on each iteration. Here the indentation is used to separate the loop body from rest of the code. Now let us try to understand the flowchart of for else in Python programming. For each item in a sequence, the execution of the loop body will continue till the last item is reached. Once the last item is reached, then it exits the for loop body, then it enters into the else block of the code. Thereby, it completes the program execution. The example code to demonstrate the use of for else in Python programming. Here, I have considered a Python program to print the range of all numbers without using break statement. In the next program, I have considered the same program to print the range of all given numbers with the use of break statement. Now let us try to understand these programs with the help of practical demo. For this, I need to open PyCharm IDE. Now right click on the project, then click on new, select Python file, and you need to enter your Python file name and click on enter key on your keyboard. For instance, I have given the name of my program as for else demo. Here is the program that is used to print the given range of all the numbers using for else with and without using the break statement. Now let us try to understand this program without using break statement. First of all, we should understand how this range function will work. The range function, it returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and it increments by 1 by default and stops before a specified number. In our case, the specified number here is 3. Here in our for loop, it starts with printing the x value till the range of values till the value just before 3. That is, it prints the values as 1 and 2. Once the for loop gets executed, then it moves into the else block. Since there is no break statement within our for loop, it enters into the else block. Then it executes the else block of the code. Here we have a print statement in the else part which prints a message as no break statement in for loop. Now let us try to execute this program. For that, you need to click on run and then select run, and then you need to click on your program. You see here it prints the output as 1, 2 and the print message in the else block as no break statement in for loop. Now let us try to understand the same program by using the break statement within the for loop. Now I am saving my program as for save all. Now I am running my program again, that is run for else demo. If you see here, since there is a break statement in our for loop, it ends the for loop within the first iteration. In the first iteration, it checks for x in range of 1, 3 and it prints the first value within the range 1, 3, that is 1, and then whenever it encounters a break statement, it terminates the program and it completes the execution. Hence, it prints 1 as the output. That's all for the practical demo. These are some useful URL links related to Python programming. That's all for today's video. If you like my videos, make sure to share with your friends and family. Also, please make sure to visit and subscribe my channel. The channel link is provided in the description below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.